In this video we're going to fit the new exhaust and we're going to start work on the new acrylic light. So before we get any further into this video, I want to make it very clear that there's less than 2 weeks till the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride that I will be riding on the CB. Please show your support and drop a donation, link down below. So now we've got all that out of the way, we can now focus on actually getting some work done on the bike. Yes, I did say a new exhaust, we've got a whole new system. I didn't go for the full system just because I do want to have a bit of freedom and creativity with how it actually looks. Let's just get straight into it and get it all fitted. So this exhaust is so much better for so many reasons. The main reason, it's not as low as the other exhaust I had. This one is nice and flat and it just tucks up nice and neat under the frame, whereas the other one kind of sat 2 on 2 on top of each other, and it was just really chunky and it just didn't look right. Whereas this one has just such a nice profile and it just comes here out at the side. But with it being like this, we have a bit more freedom with creativity on how we can actually finalise the back box and what we want to do with it. I'm thinking pie cuts, but we'll save that for another video. It's starting to look like such a cool bike and I'm really impressed with the quality of these pipes. I cannot wait to get some heat through these pipes so we can actually see some colours, because I'm not going to bother about wrapping them or anything like that. I want to see some of those really nice colours that you get through stainless steel pipes. These are really beautiful as they are, and just wait and see what I've got planned for the rest of the system. So now we've got out of the way, let's move on to the tail end. I want to start creating this acrylic tail light that I've spoke about. As I've said in the previous video, I've been really inspired by Auto Fabrica and what they do with their rear tail lights. Got a phone call. Trusty Rusty. Hello darling. How you doing? Basically, I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea if it's going to work. Let's just go with the flow. I have no idea how it's going to work out. I have no idea what it's going to look like. All I can do is have a go and see pretty much how it goes. So let's start creating some templates and see where it heads. I feel like we might have to leave it at this point, just because I still haven't got a clue how I'm assembling it all and gluing it all together and that sort of thing. Like, even if glue is an option, these are all just loosely placed in and wedged in for now, and I personally think they look nuts. I appreciate they're not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I'm trying to do something a bit different and think outside the box. With this little Robocop right here, I think we're going to be turning some heads on the road. So unfortunately, that's all we've got time for in this episode. Next episode, we will carry on with that tail light piece, because I am feeling so good about it and how it's going to look. Remember to check out my Distinguished Gentleman's Ride page and donate. I would massively, massively appreciate it. Comment down below, let me know what you think of this build. And as always, I shall see you in the next video. Peace.